Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on Poshmark account. If you're looking for a way to update or change your password for Poshmark, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in Poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your account like you normally do. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on account settings. Once you open up your account settings tab, click account info. Now click the change button right next to the password option. You'll now need to verify your email. Enter the verification code that is sent to you via this particular email. Simply open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. You will then receive a verification code from Poshmark. Click it open and copy the verification code. Paste it into the verification code text field and click on done. Now you'll be able to see this pop up where you'll need to enter your old password, which means your current password. Go ahead and enter it right away. Once you are done, go to the next field and enter the new password you'd want to change to for your account. Now type in the new password one more time into the next text field and finally click on done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Poshmark account. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.